Hey there, friends! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of learning from animals. Did you know that animals can teach us a lot about life, resilience, and survival? Take the elephant, for instance. Did you know that elephants never forget? They have an incredible memory that can store up to 25,000 individual memories. This is a trait we can learn from and apply in our daily lives. Another example is the ant. Ants are incredibly hardworking and organized. They can carry up to 50 times their body weight. This teaches us the importance of teamwork and perseverance. So, let's take a cue from these amazing creatures and incorporate their lessons into our lives. Animals have been around for millions of years, and they've developed some incredible strategies for survival. Did you know that dolphins use echolocation to navigate and find food? Or that ants can communicate using pheromones? These are just a few examples of how animals have adapted to their environments. We can learn a lot from these amazing creatures. For instance, we can learn to be more resourceful, to work together, and to appreciate the beauty of nature. So, let's take a cue from our furry and finned friends and start learning from them. Did you know that animals have a lot to teach us about survival, adaptation, and even communication? Take the hummingbird, for example. Did you know that they can fly backwards? That's right. They can even hover in midair. Now, that's some impressive engineering. Then there's the bee. They have an incredible sense of direction, and they're able to communicate with each other using a complex dance. And let's not forget the elephant. They have the longest gestation period of any mammal, and they're able to remember things for their entire lives. So the next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate the amazing creatures around you. They have so much to teach us if we're willing to learn. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.